Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you the Lookfantastic mask collection. So this is like a limited edition beauty box from Lookfantastic and I'm really excited about it because it is quite different. I'm really loving the look of it. So this is how it looks right here. So it's kind of like this folder idea. The packaging is really pretty. I like the look of it. We open it like this and it kind of opens like a folder idea, and all the masks are slotted inside. This collection is worth over £107, but it's selling on lookfantastic.com for £35. But if you are a subscriber of the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, you can get £5 off this collection. There is a code for that. I will leave the info and all that down below in the description box for you. There's 12 masks inside and they're all different. There's a mixture of face, hand, eye and lip masks. I'm very excited to show you everything inside, and I love the packaging of this. It's something that I will definitely keep because I can slot this in my drawer and keep all my face masks and my lip mask, eye mask, all that inside here, because there's plenty of like room in these little compartments to fit like more than one mask. We do get a leaflet inside which tells us all about the masks that are inside. Okay, so the first mask that we get inside here is from Sarah Chapman. This is her Skin Assist Platinum Stem Cell Eye Mask. So this is like a really large packaging for an eye mask. These eye masks are a bit different from other eye masks. Normally you get like eye masks that you kind of just place on your under eye area, whereas these ones kind of go like all around your eyes. It says the fortifying ingredients help to even pigmentation and smooth the appearance of fine lines, frown lines and wrinkles. One thing I love doing with face masks, like face masks, lip masks, eye masks, any masks in general, I love I love placing them in the fridge beforehand, just to kind of make them nice and cold and cool. It just feels so much better on the skin. The next mask we have in here is from Yes2. Okay, so I've never tried a mask from this brand before. I've tried one from Sarah Chapman before, which I think was the eye one actually. I tried, but this one is Yes2 Tomatoes. Okay, it's a detoxifying charcoal paper mask, and it's containing optimal amounts of white and black charcoal. It highly rejuvenates and cleanses the skin while unclogging pores for fresh and detox looking skin. So yeah, I don't use charcoal masks a lot because like normally for charcoal masks they feel a bit more drying on my skin really. They're kind of good for people I think that have more oily complexions, or oily skin should I say. I have more of a kind of drier skin, so like normal to dry skin, so I don't tend to use charcoal products a lot. I will see how this goes. It probably quite is good for the unclogging pores, especially probably like around the nose and probably just here on the cheeks and that. I think it'll be really good for that for me. But anyway, that's the next mask we get. Okay, the next mask we get is a lip mask from SVR, and I'm really excited about this because out of all masks my favourite to do is a lip mask. I do them quite often, to be honest, and I just love how they make my lips feel. So it says that this is a repairing, soothing and smoothing lip mask. Helps for relief of dry lips for a perfect smooth pout. Yeah, so this is definitely going to come handy for me right now. Next mask we have is this one from Medicate, and this is their Ultimate Recovery Biocellulose Mask, and this feels really nice and kind of squishy. Like obviously it's quite a big mask, well obviously a face mask, but it's it feels like there's a lot of kind of liquid stuff in here. This will definitely be a good mask to place in the fridge beforehand because it's a hydrating mineral face mask. It says utilising hyaluronic acid, rockweed algae extracts and zinc, which is a natural mineral. The ultra hydrating treatment provides intense moisture and helps to calm dry sensitive skin. I'm excited to use this one because I haven't tried a mask from Medicate before. Okay, so the next mask we get inside is from Star Skin, and these are their eye masks, And these ones are different from the Sarah Chapman ones because these are little ones that you just apply under your eyes, kind of like on your bag, your under eye bags. It says that this contains a revolutionary serum that reduces the appearance of eye puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, and also dark circles. So yeah, I've tried these ones before and I really do like them. Like Star Skin in general is a really nice mask brand. I love their lip ones as well. Next mask we've got is from Dr. Jart, and this is their Vital Hydra Solution Face Mask. It says that this sheet mask moisturizes and visibly revitalizes the skin with Aqualix, don't know how you say that, and Super Vital Complex. So yeah, it says it's a face mask that's going to moisturize and revitalize the skin. So sounds really nice and looking forward to doing that one. Next mask we've got is from Beauty Pro, and this is their hand therapy collagen infused gloves. This one says it nourishes and hydrates the hands, which is such a good mask to do right now, especially with all these hand sanitizers we're using. So yeah, like I'm excited about this because I love doing masks, like face mask, eye mask, lip mask, like I say, but another one of my favourites to do is like feet masks and that, and hand masks is just quite similar. And this has star anise, olive and apple inside. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. Okay, so the next mask we get inside is from 111 Skin, which I'm really excited about. This is their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And I just this morning used the 111 Skin Brightening Essence. So I have that on my skin like as my skincare this morning, which is this guy right here. I just used this morning and I'm really liking that. So I'm excited to give their face mask a go. It says that this diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It reinforces and protects the skin barrier function. It's got 24 karat gold, which enhances skin radiance to brighten and even the skin tone. And it also rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. So yeah, like I'm really excited about this. I'll maybe give this a go this weekend. Next mask is from Project Lip, and this is a lip mask, of course, which I'm looking forward to using. It's the Prep and Prout Hydrating, Smoothing and Collagen Infused Mask. It works to moisturise and hydrate dry lips. It's perfectly formulated to keep your lips plump and feeling super smooth. Each collagen infused hydrogel lip mask delivers hydrating, smoothing and plumping properties. Loving the sound of this. I think I've used one of these ones before. Yeah, I think I have. Yeah, I mostly remember using like lip masks from Star Skin and is it Glam Glow? I'm not too sure, but anyway. Next we've got Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches from Rodeo. So again, these are like those other ones from Star Skin where we just apply them under the eyes, and not like the Sarah Chapman where we apply all over the eyes. It says with these ones they will hydrate and tone the eyes. Next we've got a Korean face mask, which is this one right here. I'm just going to have to look up the name of this. This is the Holika Pure Essence face mask. This highly absorbent ultra fine sheet mask adheres closely to the face and infuses skin with a powerful ingredients of visible results. Looking forward to giving this a go. I don't think I've tried any face masks from like the Korean brands before, so yeah, I think I have one of these already in my mask drawer. Yeah, I think I have, but I just haven't tried it yet. So this one looks pretty cute. I'm going to give that one a go. Next mask we have is from Bioeffect. This is their Imprinting Hydrogel Mask. That's what it looks like right there. And this is a hydrating face mask with hyaluronic acid, another great one for the fridge. I love like the hydro, like ones that say hydro or hydrogel. Is like great for the fridge because it's going to really hydrate the skin, so you want it to be nice and cool for the skin. The mask is infused with hyaluronic acid to attract up to 1,000 times its weight in water, along with glycerine to reinforce the skin's natural moisture barrier. And I see there it's got on it EGF and Bioeffect serum. I think it's got that little Bioeffect serum, the EGF inside. It says something about it on the back here because we've had that a few times, that little serum in like the beauty boxes from Lookfantastic over the years. It's like a little serum this size. It's quite expensive, but that little serum I think is infused in this mask. That is all the masks inside this collection. So there's 12 masks and I'm loving the look of all of them. I love that there's like a variety of different ones from like face, eyes, lips, and also a hand one in there, which is really good. Just one that's missing, which would be really nice, a foot one, because I do love doing feet masks. But anyway, this collection looks lovely. I'm excited to give them all a go, and there's enough masks inside to do like one every month, or whenever you feel like your skin needs a nice pick me up, then just delve into this collection. Yeah, I think it's a really cute collection. Again, it is worth £107, but it's selling for £35 on lookfantastic.com right now, or you can get £5 off if you are a monthly beauty box subscriber. I'd love to know your thoughts on this collection down below in the comment section, and of course if you're going to pick up for yourself. But that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.